these little guys go on there, Abram? This is for gas. Where do you want to get gas? I don't know where you get gas. This is for gas? Is that a hippopotamus? Where's the H? Right there? There's a P for panda. What's this? Giraffe. That goes on G. Do you know what this is? Zebra. Goes on a Z. Pelican? No, because there's already a panda. What is that? What's this? Lion.
Wow.
What's that? Wow. Elephant.
Wow.
Look at elephant.
Elmo.
That is Elmo. You're right. Who else is in there? Who's that?
Dora.
Dora. You want me to unwrap her? Boots. And who's this? Swiper. You got them all. Is that awesome? Let's open up Swiper for you. Swiper, no swiping. No swiping to Christmas presents, Swiper. Here's Boots. Here comes Dora. Dora's harder to open. They wrapped her up really good. Oops. Sorry about your hair there, Dora. There's Dora. Swiper, what do we say? Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping.
Oh, man. Poor Elmo.
Does Elmo get to play with Dora?
Yeah.
Get Elmo. You threw Elmo away when you saw Dora. He's behind you. Elmo's behind you. Oh, thanks. I get Elmo and Swiper. I love them too.
Dora.
Yes, it's Dora. Look what Dora has. What's that?
That's a rubber.
That is her backpack. Yes, it is.
Backpack.
Backpack, 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 backpack. What is that?
What's he wearing?
He's got boots on. Those are red boots.
Abram, who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Who's this?
Elmo.
Who's this?
The boo.
It's Boots. Who's this?
Boo.
Swiper.
Father.
Swiper. No swiping.
Daddy.